Okay, this is a BMW X1 2017. So installed with a reverse camera. As you can see, there is nice and compact. It's all done on the original BMW iDrive system. So this has the NBT EVO system. So when you put into reverse, there you go, get the full view of the rear. Also your sensors get overlaid on the top right hand corner, and also included is a full moving guidelines. Obviously that is car dependent, so not every vehicle will have it. You still have access to your original sensor display as well. If you want this installed on your vehicle, BMW X1, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.